Before you use neem oil on your plants, you need to hear this, because one small mistake can damage your plants instead of saving them. Most people think neem oil is just a simple, natural spray, but the truth is it's much more powerful than that. And if you don't use it the right way, you might be doing more harm than good. So in this video, you'll learn everything about neem oil: what it is, how it works, its benefits, hidden risks, and the exact right way to use it safely and effectively. Let's start from the beginning. Neem oil comes from the seeds of the neem tree. This tree is native to parts of Asia, especially India and surrounding regions. For hundreds of years, neem has been used in traditional agriculture and medicine, but today, it has become one of the most trusted organic gardening solutions in the United States. Why? Because it works. And it works in a unique way. Unlike chemical pesticides that kill insects instantly, neem oil works slowly but effectively. Its main active compound is called azadirachtin. This compound disrupts the life cycle of insects. When pests come into contact with neem oil, they stop feeding on your plants. They lose their ability to grow and reproduce. Over time, their population decreases naturally. This is why neem oil is considered a smart pesticide, rather than a harsh chemical. Now, let's talk about what pests neem oil can control. Neem oil is highly effective against many common garden pests. It works on aphids, those tiny insects that suck sap from leaves. It controls spider mites, which create web-like damage on plants. It fights whiteflies, small flying insects that weaken plants quickly. And it also helps eliminate mealybugs, those white cotton-like pests. These are some of the most common problems gardeners face, especially in indoor and outdoor plants. But neem oil doesn't stop there. It also works as a natural fungicide. Yes, it can help control fungal diseases too. For example, it is effective against powdery mildew, that white powder-like substance you sometimes see on leaves. It also helps with black spot disease and other leaf infections. So instead of using multiple products, you can use neem oil as an all-in-one solution. Now let's talk about why so many gardeners prefer neem oil. First, it is natural and organic. This means it is safer for the environment compared to chemical pesticides. Second, it can be used on a wide range of plants, from indoor plants to outdoor gardens, from vegetables to ornamental plants. Third, it does not create instant resistance in pests. Many chemical pesticides stop working over time, but neem oil continues to be effective when used correctly. Fourth, it can be used both as a treatment and a preventive solution. You don't have to wait for pests to attack. You can use neem oil regularly to protect your plants before problems start. But now, here is the part most people ignore. Neem oil is powerful, and because of that, it can also cause damage if used incorrectly. Apply too much neem oil, it can block the pores of plant leaves. This can lead to leaf burn or damage. If you spray neem oil under strong sunlight, it can act like a magnifying lens. This can burn the leaves quickly. Also, while neem oil is safer than chemicals, it can still harm beneficial insects like bees if sprayed directly on them. So timing and proper use are extremely important. Now let's learn the correct way to use neem oil. This is the most important part of the entire video. To prepare neem oil spray, you need to mix it properly with water. Take about 1 to 2 teaspoons of neem oil. Add it to 1 liter of water. Then add a few drops of liquid soap. Why soap? Because neem oil does not mix easily with water. Soap helps it blend evenly. After mixing, shake the solution well. Now your spray is ready. When applying neem oil, always spray both the top and underside of the leaves, because most pests hide under the leaves. Make sure you cover all affected areas evenly. Do not overuse it. Using more does not mean better results. Now let's talk about timing. Never spray neem oil during hot midday sunlight. The best time to apply neem oil is early morning or late evening. This helps prevent leaf burn and protects beneficial insects. If your plant is already infected with pests, use neem oil every 5 to 7 days. If you are using it as a preventative measure, once every 10 to 14 days is enough. And here is a very important tip. Always test neem oil on a small part of your plant first. Wait at least 24 hours. If there is no damage, then you can safely apply it to the entire plant. Now, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. Neem oil does not work instantly. If you expect pests to disappear overnight, you will be disappointed. Neem oil works gradually. It controls pests over time by stopping their life cycle, so patience is key. Consistent use will give you the best results. Now, let's compare neem oil with chemical pesticides. Chemical pesticides act fast, but they can harm the environment and may damage plants if overused. Neem oil works slower, but it is safer and more sustainable. For long-term plant health, many gardeners prefer neem oil. Now, let's answer an important question. Can neem oil be used on all plants? The answer is mostly yes, but some sensitive plants may react differently. That's why testing is always recommended. Also, avoid using neem oil on very young or stressed plants. Give them time to recover first. Now, let's summarize everything. Neem oil is a natural and powerful solution for controlling pests and plant diseases. It works by disrupting insect life cycles and preventing fungal growth. It is safe when used correctly, but can cause damage if misused. Proper mixing, correct timing, and controlled application are the keys to success. If you follow these steps, you can keep your plants healthy, strong, and free from pests, naturally. So the next time you see insects on your plants, don't panic. Use neem oil the right way and let nature do the work for you. Because sometimes, the best solution is not the strongest chemical, but the smartest natural choice.